For anyone deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, a HomeKit-compatible security system is the logical choice for protecting your home. Here we have 3 best Apple HomeKit security systems for your home.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Eufy Cam 2 Camera Kit. The Eufy Cam 2 is a popular choice for those seeking a straightforward wireless security camera solution that works with HomeKit Secure Video. The 2-camera kit provides a solid foundation for monitoring key areas of your home, whether indoors or out, thanks to its durable, weather-resistant design. This security camera is a perfect fit for any Apple smart home, offering seamless integration with HomeKit for an enhanced user experience. Its IP67 weatherproof rating means it can withstand any weather, providing reliable year-round security for your home. Enjoy the full range of features without the burden of ongoing costs, as this no-subscription security camera operates with no monthly fees. This makes it a great choice for those who want a simple and economical security solution. With an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge, this wireless outdoor security camera provides extended, hassle-free monitoring. It's the ideal choice for those who want minimal maintenance without sacrificing reliable security. For HomeKit users, the cameras can be added to the Home app for live viewing and for leveraging HomeKit Secure Video's advanced features, such as smart detection of people, animals, and vehicles, with recordings stored securely in your iCloud Plus plan. On number 2, we have Aqara Camera Protect Kit. The Aqara Camera Protect Kit offers a comprehensive and expandable security solution centered around a powerful camera hub. The kit typically includes a camera hub, a motion sensor, a vibration sensor, and a door and window sensor. The Aqara Camera Hub G3 is more than just a camera. It's a central hub for your smart home. In addition to HomeKit Secure Video and local detection, it also serves as an Aqara Zigbee hub and a Matter bridge, capable of connecting up to 128 Aqara Zigbee devices. That i100 kit combines a powerful 2K camera with advanced AI detection for faces, pets, and gestures, and 3 smart sensors, motion, vibration, and door/window, to monitor for suspicious activity. This bundle provides a comprehensive security solution where the camera and sensors work in unison to capture core security events and create a complete smart home automation system. This system is a great starting point for building a more complex HomeKit smart home, as the hub can connect to a wide range of additional Aqara devices, all working in harmony within your Apple home environment. On number 3, we have Abode 4-piece smart security system. For those who want a more traditional sensor-based security system that also plays well with HomeKit, the Abode 4-piece smart security system is an excellent option. This kit typically includes a central gateway, a motion sensor, a door and window sensor, and a key fob. The Abode Smart Security System is a highly versatile and expandable solution, offering more compatibility with smart home products and security accessories than any other competitor. The 4-piece starter kit includes a central hub with a powerful 93-decibel siren, a backup battery, and Ethernet connectivity, along with a motion sensor, a key fob, and a mini door/window sensor. This system is compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Notably, it is the only DIY or professionally monitored home security system to be officially certified for Apple HomeKit, allowing you to monitor and control it directly from the iOS Home app. While the base kit is a great starting point for entry protection, the real power of Abode lies in its flexibility and the ability to build a truly comprehensive security setup tailored to your specific needs. The system offers a range of monitoring options, from self-monitoring with push notifications to professional monitoring for a monthly fee. So these are some of the best HomeKit security systems to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.